Okay, so welcome to the next episode of Cyber Potato, and now we will try to make the top bar, the nav bar, the navigation stuff for our page. Okay, so that's not right. Yeah. So first, let's create few empty pages, and this is gonna be, let's do my account. You can put a slash here and create my account page.tsx. Okay, and it will create a folder and a file. And for now, let's just do my account page. Let's return something. It's h1 my account page. Okay, let's export default that, and also the way for our user to add the idea. So here I'll create my add idea, and this is gonna be add idea page.tsx. Okay, same, add idea page, and this is gonna be awesome. Yeah, add idea, export default add idea page. Okay, this is nice. Okay, so let's start by hooking it up to our router. So this is gonna be, how do I specify it? Okay, so under the add URL, we'll find with authentication, this is gonna be, of course, ideas, and here we will have route. Okay, title is gonna be add, and the view gonna be add idea page. Okay, so this is one, and the next one is gonna be me with authentication, route, and title is gonna be my account. Okay, that's fair. And view my account page. Okay, this should be pretty much correct. Yeah. Okay, so now I would like to create a view that is shared across my account page, add idea page, and ideas page. And there are a few ways to do it. We'll do that the simplest way. So let us create layout folder, and here I will create layout component. Okay, that's about right. And let's do just that. So import React from React. Layout, this will encapsulate the children, so this is going to be of type functional component so that we can have the access to children. We will take the children from the props. Okay, and we will start by creating the empty fragment, and here we can find the top bar. Okay, all right, and I'll create a top bar here TopBar.tsx. Okay. So yeah, the top bar. We have assets. Yeah, we have logo here, as you can see, light and dark version of the logo. Basically, you can just go to Chrome and just, you know, search for any type of logo and use it for the sake of the tutorial. I have the logo prepared, and you will be able to find it in the repository, of course, so you can download it from there. Okay, so let's make our way through this. I will also import styled from styled components and define our components here. Do we have colors? No, we don't have colors. Okay. So let me just, what I would like to have here in this top bar are three things. Okay, and this is the menu icon. Okay, because maybe you would like to have some kind of drawer menu, the logo, and the some icons like, I don't know, search icon or account icon. Now we won't be building the search functionality, but just to represent how you can do that. Okay, so I will have a wrapper here that doesn't exist yet, but let me just do that. So this is gonna be top bar wrapper, and it's gonna be styled header. Okay, it's gonna have display flex naturally, padding of 24 pixels and 32 pixels. Align items is going to be center. Justifies content is going to be space between. And let me think. Yeah. I'm gonna need some colors defined here, because there is a set of colors that I would like to use. Colors.ts, and this is one way to build your colors. The other way is to actually use the style components theme that you can provide, but since we won't be switching themes like the light mode and the dark mode, or building it with different set of color palettes, I think that this should be good for now. So I can import it. Import the color. Oh no, this isn't the correct file. Yeah, let's export default layout for now, and here, okay, here. Yeah. Here we can do background color, and this is gonna be from the color set, it's gonna be main violet. Okay, align, this is good and this is good. Okay. Yeah, and then we will have something like many button. Let's do that. Many button is going to be styled button. Okay. This is the first thing that we need. Then we'll have logo, light logo imported. So let's import logo from no, where is it? Assets, and logo like PNG. And this is great. This is great. So I can do main button, and I can do EMG src. It's gonna be of logo. Please be noted that when you're importing an image into React, or actually anything that isn't TS, TSX, JS, or JSX, you have to specify the extension of the file. Okay, so that's why I'm having PNG here. Okay. Of course, you can override it with Webpack, but that's not the case. And also, let's add the icons. So class name is, of course, material icons. This is going to be search. And then this is going to be account circle. Okay, this is fixed now, and this should work. Class name. Okay. Yeah, let's export that. Actually, the parentheses should be round. Okay, export default top bar. So this is good, I think. Okay, then this should be, oh, this shouldn't be here. This should be in layout. Okay. Top bar. Let's import that. And yeah, here we need to render children, of course. And then if everything is correct, and I'm not 100% sure it is, should be able to go to our ideas list page. Yeah, let's move that up. And also, since this is a component, it should start with capital letter. Can we just move that above? Okay, doesn't seem so. Okay, so now if I create layout here and wrap this here, this should be ported. Oh yeah, it's empty. Okay, that's fine. We should start it again because we switched the file location. See how this works now. Module not found. Index, yeah, because this is now different. Yeah, let's just save it. Oh yeah, and this is non-existent, don't save. Okay. Layout is not defined. Okay. Let's import it. Like, this doesn't exist anymore. And can we import it from layout? Okay, Visual Studio Code is sometimes behaving oddly. Let's try again. This is layout, this is exported, this is layout. What is happening? Okay, let me restart it. No, don't save it. New window. Okay. This is fine, this is fine. Now, okay, sometimes just gotta restart stuff. Okay, and now we should see our top bar. I hope so. Yeah. Okay, so there are a few things that we need to fix. Let's do that right now. So as you can see, this doesn't look at all like the hamburger menu sorry, hamburger menu button that you should see here. So let's fix that one. Let's go to TopBar and start working on it. Okay, so not only we do need many button, we will also need many toggle component. Okay, and now we can work our way through that. So background color here is going to be transparent. We'll set the width and height to 3 rem and height to 3 rem, so it's going to be a rectangle. Outline is none, and the cursor is going to be a pointer. Okay, and then many toggle, and this is where the fun begins. This is going to be a span. Okay, so what we could do really easy is to go to hamburger menu icon. Yeah, you know, just download it and slap it right in. But it's not fun. So we can create everything that we need using just CSS. And what we need actually are 3 rows. Okay, so the span itself is gonna be the middle bar, and we'll use the after and before pseudo elements to create the upper and the lower bar. Okay, so I will make it block because by default the span is inline or something like that. I will set the width, I will set the height, I will set the background color to be white. I'm going to set the border radius to 3 pixels and the background color to be of color set main pink. Okay, and now I would like to use the after and before pseudo elements, and one bar should be placed above this span and one should be placed below. And if I like to place them relatively to the span itself, I should specify here position relative, of course. And now we can specify stuff for after and before. Okay, and this is background color should be, can we do inherit here simply, height 2 pixels, width should be, well, basically can we inherit all of this? I don't know, let me see. The content, we need to provide the content for it to render, otherwise it won't be seen on the screen. Position is absolute, top is 0, right is 0. Okay, so this is being resetted, and now I need to push the after element away to the top from the main span. So I'm going to say and after, and after is going to be top 1.25 rem, and before is gonna be top minus 1.3 RAM. This looks sort of correct. Except it, yeah, that's at the page. Okay, here, okay, we have something like this, and it looks strange. This button should have border set to none. Okay, yeah. We can set the border to none. Can we? No, it's for the button. Sorry guys. Gauss. Okay, but you can see it's being threaded. It's being spread across in a strange manner. Like why these things are so far apart? You can fix that by specifying margin to auto. Yeah, but that's not gonna be enough. You have to specify margin auto everywhere. So margin auto, and here we can do margin auto, and now it still doesn't work. Okay, let's try resetting everything here. Left is 0 and bottom is 0. Yeah. Okay, so now this looks fine. This is fine. Yeah, but is it me or no? All of those are even, but yeah, you can see here that this is being rounded nicely. So let's add that. So border radius, can we inherit this too? Border radius inherit? Yeah. Okay. And with that simple magic trick, you can create your own border or your own hamburger icon. I will now just do a little bit of styling for the icons. So this is here, and the I element should have cursor pointer because we're trying to treat it as a button. We'll set the font size to be 2em. Okay, this is nice. Color is gonna be white, and on hover, change the color to be from the color set light violet, and the last of type, no, not here. Yeah, here. No, not here. Not here, but rather here. And the last element of type should have a little bit of a margin. Except it doesn't, because this is a function. Okay, can you do n, how do you do it? Last child. Nope. Nope. And it should work. Yeah. Okay, so that's embarrassing. Let's try and child So this is, oh, I can't actually point to that because it's not a child. And well, let's keep it. Let's leave it at that. Yeah. Yeah, maybe I could do div I no, it doesn't have any sense. Okay, yeah, I will check that and I will add that in the next video. So that's all for now. I see you there. Bye. Yeah, guys, so just to inform you, this is how you can specify it. Sorry for that, and yeah, that's that.